This tutorial is how to use OneNote from Microsoft. So the very first thing is open your OneNote on your computer. If you can't find it, you can go to your Start menu and start typing OneNote and it will come up. And the very first thing we're going to do is learn how to create a new notebook. So go to File at the top, New. You can choose where you want to save it. Give your notebook a name and then create the notebook. There are many different ways you can organize your OneNote notebook. What I do is I make a different notebook for every subject, a different tab for every date, and then different pages for every topic. Most people that I know have one notebook for their whole semester, different tabs for every subject, and different pages for every class. But you can do whatever way makes sense for you. So to title your new tab, you can give it whatever title it is that you need. And that will title the page on the side. The way you title the tab is to double click at the top and then give it whatever title you need. To add a new tab, just click the plus button on the side and you can automatically title it. And to add a new page, click Add Page at the top. OneNote will automatically give it the date and time that you've taken the notes. You can then click down here and start taking your notes. If you want to make a table, click Tab on your keyboard, type your next, and then Tab again. And then when you click Enter, it will create, if you click Enter, you have to put content in. And then when you click, it will create more. If you want to take notes in another part of the page, just click there with your mouse. You can then drag your text wherever you want it if you want to organize your things differently. OneNote can also be drawn upon. It can be drawn on with your stylus. So just take your stylus and draw, and it will automatically know that you're drawing. And also if you want to erase, just turn your stylus over and use the eraser at half. This is nice if you want to do any charts or tables or whatever it is that you might need it for. If you start typing, OneNote will put it wherever it is that you've clicked. You can also insert any of these things as you need them. So it's very similar to Microsoft Word in that you can add other things to a page, but it's different than Microsoft Word in that it's all organized. You can choose your different draw. You can draw with touch if you want, if you don't have your stylus. You can have collaborative OneNote. So these are all the different choices for things that you can do with OneNote. It's a great note-taking tool and helps you to stay organized with a lot of different things that you may be working on. So that is a basic tutorial on how to use OneNote.